Hi, all of my face-to-face Avid students. I'm sorry I don't get to see your faces today, but it really has been wonderful these last 2 days seeing you guys in class. So your assignment today is also your check-in. This is the only thing I need you to do for me Friday. You're going to do, this is a Google form and it's called About Me, and then you are going to just answer the questions. There's 15 questions. It's a little bit about you, some of the things you like, and also some of the things you're involved in on campus. Please make sure you fill it out completely. Some of the questions are a little bit personal because they're pieces of information that we collect in Avid. So please go ahead and make sure that you answer those. If you have a problem actually completing the form, which hopefully nobody does, shoot me an email tomorrow to go ahead and check in. Mrs. Tucker, I'm here. Try to get to the form. Wouldn't let me fill it out. All right. Have a good day, guys.